കോൺഗ്രസിൽ ചേർന്ന കനയ്യകുമാർ ഇപ്പോൾ മാതൃഭൂമി ന്യൂസിനോടൊപ്പം ചേരുകയാണ്. കനയ്യ, आपने क्यों सीपीआई को छोड़ा? Is there is any ideological problem or position?
No, no, there is no ideological problem, and I am thankful to my old party because whatever I am saying, whatever I have been fighting, it is because of that ideology. So there is no ideological battle, and I know because I have left party, so there will be some criticism, there will be some anger, okay, so there will be some accusation. So these are the part of politics, but I don't have any ill will against any my party comrades, leaders, sympathizers, against none of them.
Why you choose Congress?
Because it is the urgency of time. You see the situation. I am not from Kerala. Because see, I received a lot of love from there, but the situation is different in Hindi speaking area, especially in North India, where you can see the left party and Congress, they are fighting together. They are fighting together, they are making alliance, they are forming alliance against BJP. So this is the matter of urgency, and to fulfill that urgency, I am the part of Congress because I believe, it's not my belief, this is the reality and fact, that Congress is the biggest opposition party in North India also. So if you want to pose a logical opposition against BJP, there should be a collaboration, there should be a united front, and it is not my idea. George Dimitrov have wrote this understanding. When the fascist forces are ruling the country, then there should be the alliance of communist and social democrats.
हमें पता है, आपको भी पता है, एक साइड में बीजेपी गड़ा है, दूसरे में साइड में पूरा विपक्ष, लेकिन विपक्ष के अंदर अभी आयाराम गयाराम चलता रहता है. ये विपक्ष को मजबूत करेगा और कमजोर.
देखिए, see, this is the part of mainstream politics. People come, they go. But what is the urgency? This is the ideological I am saying. And what kind of idea we want to save? We want to save the idea of India, which is described in Indian Constitution. And in brief, it reflects in our preamble. We the people of India, the socialist, sovereign, and democratic, and republic, and secularism. These are the pillars of our democracy. So if we want to protect that idea of India, where Malayalam, there is no fight between Malayalam and Hindi, there is no fight between Hindi and Tamil, there is no fight between Tamil and Bengali. See, this is the biggest strength as a country we have. We are multilingual, we are multicultural. So ideology which have been ruling this country, they are trying to destroy it. They are trying to impose a kind of quote unquote new truth, which is not truth, which is the false narrative about the country. So if you believe in India, if you believe in democracy, if you have faith in your own constitution, then you have to be the part of that legacy, and that legacy is with Congress. That's why we are with Congress party.
आपको पता है केरला में आपको इतना फैंस है, लेफ्ट फैंस, लेकिन अभी उन्होंने ऐसा पुकारा है कि आप एक क्लास ट्रेटर है. क्लास ट्रेटर.
I can understand the anger. If I am leaving you, if you love me, you will feel bad. But I want to tell them, I still love you, and please give me time, and don't break your trust. We will try our best to protect this country, and in this fight, in this battle, we are from different party, but we have the same goal, how we will defeat right reactionary fascist forces in this country.
कांग्रेस में आपका भूमिका क्या होगा?
It will decided by the party.
തീർച്ചയായും കനയ്യകുമാർ വ്യക്തമാക്കുന്നത് പ്രത്യയശാസ്ത്രപരമായ ഭിന്നതകൾക്കപ്പുറം പ്രതിപക്ഷത്തെ ശക്തിപ്പെടുത്താനാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ കോൺഗ്രസിൽ ചേർന്നത് എന്ന് തന്നെയാണ്. AICC ആസ്ഥാനത്ത് നിന്നും സ്റ്റീഫൻ മാത്യുവിനോടൊപ്പം രാജേഷ് കോയിക്കൽ, മാതൃഭൂമി ന്യൂസ്.